Balancing thermal comfort with HVAC energy efficiency is one of the biggest challenges in modern commercial building design. Today, we are looking at a premium solution, smart VAV terminal units, also known as VAV boxes, engineered by Runpaq Technology. Runpaq's variable air volume systems deliver precise multi-zone climate control. By dynamically modulating airflow based on localized demand, it drastically reduces HVAC energy consumption, while maximizing tenant satisfaction and optimizing operational costs. As a leading HVAC terminal equipment manufacturer, Runpaq integrates the mechanical chassis and smart controls into one factory-tested plug-and-play assembly. Each unit features high-precision air velocity sensors, low-leakage dampers, and premium acoustic insulation to meet strict indoor sound criteria. Whether your project requires fan-powered VAV options, hot water coils, or electric reheat, Runpaq is highly customizable to match global engineering specifications. Elevate your next building automation and commercial HVAC project. Contact Runpaq Technology today for professional consulting and technical specifications.